All right, guys, here's our grammar for last week. So we had our two sentences. There's three that I want to kind of go over. The first one is right here. It's so slow Schoology is really bothering me, and I want to punch the screen. So the word to is always a preposition. It's always a preposition. I went to the park. I went to the mall. I like to walk. I like to walk. I is a pronoun, likes my verb. To is a preposition and walk is a noun. It's a thing that you like to do, right? And so in this situation, to is a preposition, and just like we talked about in our definition, prepositions are always showing a relationship between a noun and another word in the sentence. So this word right here, punch, I want to punch. That's a thing that you want to do. This is a noun. All right, this is a noun here. So we look here. Only about 70% of you got to correct, and only 31% of you got the word punch correct. So, and then the last one here is computer. I know you all put noun. I want to punch the computer. If it ended with computer, it would be a noun. But the fact of the matter is that the word after it is the computer screen. What kind of screen was it? The computer screen. So it's an adjective. So this is really helpful. What I'll try and do is I'll try and go through and show the ones that you guys struggled with the most. If you have questions with that, your job is to reach out to me and ask me, and I will gladly help you with it. But if we go back to our materials here, today in our grammar, same situation as last time. You're going to do your grammar. All right. So if you go to our grammar materials here, uh, you have your PowerPoint for the day, and this just has our two sentences here. And obviously, you can follow this right through the video. You can do it on your own. I'm indifferent to that, but you have your two sentences here. So again, I would write this in your notebook. I'd put all this in the same spot. At the end of the trimester, we're going to have a test on our grammar. I guarantee that every sentence that I use for the test will come from our grammar. Like every answer you'll already have. And so today, our two sentences are distance learning is hard at times, and it's important to advocate. And then I really enjoy comments from students. So I want you to pause. I want you to fill this in your notebook. I'll give you about 3 seconds here of pausing. 1,000, 1,000. Yeah, all right, we're good. So fill that in, and then you're going to go to grammar 4.7 here, and you're going to fill it in. So obviously, this is what it looks like to me. If you start your test, you're just going to go through, start your new attempt. Every word is put up here. Distance learning, 2 words. Obviously, we know it's a noun, right? And so we'll start there, and we'll continue our way on. There's 17 of them to do. Take your time. You can do it more than once. But I obviously see your first score, your second score, your third score. So if you get 17 out of 17 on your third score, that's great that you're learning. But we can keep clicking until we get the right answer. It's more important that you reflect on why you got it wrong. And, if you have a question, you can always reach out to me. So that's our grammar for the day. Hope you guys have a nice day, and make sure you get this done on Tuesday, April 7th.